We'll start with a slip knot, chain 4, three double crochet in the first chain, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same chain, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the same chain. Now we got the first triangle. With the same color, what I'm gonna do, chain 3, turn. Now in the space between the last double crochet and this cluster or 3 double crochet, I'm gonna make a cluster, which is 3 double crochet. Now in this space, I'm gonna make one cluster, chain 2, a cluster, which is 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Now in the first space again, which is the chain 3 and the cluster, 3 double crochet. Chain 1, 1 double crochet. So one thing we need to understand at this point till the end of the work. At the beginning of every row, I will always have the double crochet, the separate double crochet over here before the cluster. And at the end of each row, I will create always a double crochet, chain 1 double crochet. So to create a new space every time to expand the shawl this way. Now I'm gonna change the color. What I'm gonna do, what I did for my work, I put this color aside and I added a new color. For me, I didn't want to cut this thread so not to lose it, but I joined, and I'll tell you later how to hide the extra. So you join the new color and then you hold the loose extremity, making sure the chain is a bit tight. Chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and turn. You will not hide the thread, you leave it on the side and continue the same work. So in the space is one cluster, now what's happening now, it's gonna be throughout the work till the end of the shawl. In the next space, another cluster, now in this corner, which is the triangle corner, what's gonna happen is again chain cluster, chain 2, cluster always, to keep the shape of the triangle shawl. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet till the end of the work. And again 3 double crochet here, And in the previous chain, chain 1 space, the last one, 3 double crochet, chain 1, double crochet on in that space. This is how it will always be. Again, now chain 3 and turn, 3 double crochet in the created space, and we repeat the same. So now I'm rejoining the previous color. Again, I will put the white aside and I will join the new color this way. Again, I will chain 3 and I will turn, same thing, 3 double crochet. Okay, so you'll have a lot of these loose thread a bit throughout the work as you expand. So in the next part of the video, I'm going to show you how to make a pretty and simple edge to hide all this thread without having to cut anything. So keep following to see how to get the end results of the shawl. So here I'm done with the last row. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to make the edge. So in these spaces, the previous chain 3, I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, double crochet, single crochet in each space, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. So first I'm gonna make a chain, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet. We go to the next one, single crochet, double crochet and single crochet. We'll continue the same till we're back to the same point all through the shawl. Single crochet, double crochet, and also on the way to this, to hide the thread which we left previously. So on this side where you have the clusters together, 3 double crochet in every stitch, or the granny stripe, what we're gonna do, we're gonna only work in the spaces which are these, nothing on top of the double crochet. So again, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, all in one space. And I'll go to the next space and do the same, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, and I'm gonna continue the same till the end. So I hope you like this beautiful shawl making and you will try it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Again, do not forget to look into the written pattern so it helps you more with the video. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.